Hi there, my name is Edosa Aigabai, and today I want to teach you how you can make a simple flyer that is premium and also classy. All right, very classy and premium, and it's something that you can actually do only if you just decide to just play around your Canva mobile app and see what you can actually achieve with that. So we are going to head straight into our design, and this is what I want us to create. This is the exact design that I want us to work on. This design, as you can see, it's looking so beautiful, it's looking so classy, and I want us to get this done within the space of about 12 minutes. Let's see how we can be able to achieve this. So let's head straight into our Canva mobile application right now. I'm just going to launch it. Don't forget that you are on to Dozer Heights. I would like you to like this video, comment on it, and also don't forget to subscribe, and don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any of our tutorials each time we drop them on our channel. We sure promise to give you the best, and make you become the best graphic designer, the best animator, and also best video editor that you want to be using your smartphone. So I'm just going to click on this. The first thing I'll be doing is to change the pixel, the dimension of the page of the canvas. So I'm going to tap on that, change it to 720 by 720, 720 by 720. Then I'm going to check it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the white canvas. Then it brings out gallery, image, and color. So I'm going to tap on image. Then I'm going to type sunflower. All right, I'm just going to look for a sunflower that matches what I'm trying to achieve. There's actually a sunflower in that design, so I'm going to use this particular one. Okay, and I'm going to tap on this crop tool. That crop tool actually helped me expand and reduce the design, so I want the sunflower to be here. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to head straight into my illustration, but I'm by tapping on this plus sign here. All right, so I tap on it and I head straight to illustration. I tap on shape, okay, and I am going to get this particular shape. Then the next thing I'll do is that I'm going to change the color. All right, I'm going to use this exact color. This is what I'm going to use. Okay, I think this actually looks a little bit cool for me. All right, it looks a bit similar to what we have there. So I'm going to use this, all right, and this to expand it. So I'm going to expand to the right and expand it to there. Okay, and what I'm going to do so that the flower can also be visible is that I'm going to tap on that icon, then tap on the basket again, and also reduce the transparency. And this is what we have. Okay, I think I will have to reduce the transparency of the sunflower. So let me tap on the shape and try to remove it. Tap on the sunflower background, try to reduce the transparency a little so it doesn't overshadow what we're trying to achieve. Then I'm going to move this one here. Okay, as you can see, it's looking a little bit fine and good. Okay, so this is a lot better. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the illustration again and get my shape. Or this time around, I'm going to get this particular shape. This is the one I'm going to use, this. Okay, and I'm going to adjust it this way, bring it down. Okay, take it up. Okay, expand it like this. Okay, let me see if we are on point with that. Okay, we are actually on point. So let me still expand a little. Let me see. Okay, fantastic. I'm going to move this up and bring this down. All right, so we are good. Do we still have it like that way? Okay, then this is covering this. This is great. Now it's looking nice. All right. Okay, this is looking nice. All right, then I'm going to change the color to white. Make it white. Okay, then the next thing I'll do is I'm going to get another shape again. Get a shape, a square shape. Okay, increase it this way. Just do it this way so that I want it to fit into this. All right, I want it to fit into this. That's what I'm trying to achieve. I want it to fit into that. Okay, just keep moving it. keep adjusting until you get the desired shape that you want. And I think we're fine. This is actually cool for me. I think I like this. Then change the color to white. Okay, I think we're done with that. So let me see what we have. Fantastic. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to get my frame. All right, I'm going to get my frame. Head straight to illustration, tap on frame, tap on this, reduce this, bring it into this place, reduce it again, make sure it is here, reduce. Let's see what we have. Okay, I think I need to change this particular color. Let's make it a little bit let's make it should be too white. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's reduce this a little. So let's get a gallery. Let's go to our gallery. Let's see. I'm going to use this image, this particular lady. So I'm going to tap on my crop tool. All right, tap on it. Oh, sorry about that. I have to head back. Tap on the crop tool. Okay, expand the image. Your both thumbs should be on the Canva. So this is what we have. Let me increase it a little. Okay, this is what we have. Fantastic. So the next thing I'll do is I'm going to duplicate it. That's by tapping on this. Okay, so I've done that. Then I'm going to move it down. Now I want them to align. I want them to be on the same line. So I'm going to head back to illustration, tap on line. I'm going to get this particular line tool, change the color. Okay, no need changing the color. Let me just expand it. I'm going to move it. Okay, so I want them to be on the same line so we don't end up doing a quack design. All right, so we have it that way. So I'm going to move this closer to that. That's what we have. As you can see, it's properly aligned. Then I'm going to discard this one for now. I'm going to put it here. Let me change the color to white so it becomes visible. Then I'm going to head back. I'm going to tap on this, go to my gallery. Then I'm going to look for another image that I can use. Let me see. I'm going to look for the image of a lady that I can use. Okay, let me use this. Okay, I'm going to tap on this. Or better still, let me not use that. Let me not use that image for certain reasons. So let me use. Let me leave that. Let me leave it. So I'm going to tap on this. Then tap on it. Crop it. Make it bold. Crop it. Make it bold. This is what we have. All right. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to head back to my illustration, and I'm going to tap on frame. Then I'm going to get a particular shape. So just move up, scroll up. There's a particular shape I'm looking for. It has a white border. It's actually a spherical shape. We're having a bit of network downtime. So yeah, this is one I want. I'm going to tap on this particular one. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to reduce it, change the color to white. Okay, move it here. Keep reducing. Then I'm going to send it behind the object. Tap on this, tap on it, tap on this. All right, and tap on that. I'm going to bring it up, bring it behind the object, and this is what we have. Then I'm just going to increase it. Okay, let me change this particular image so the color can actually blend with what we're trying to achieve, so it doesn't look all white. So let me see. Let me change that. Let me get another image. That I can use. I need another image. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Let me crop it, bring it down. I think it's better this way. Then move this underneath it. Okay, this is what we have. Let me try and position it very, very well. All right. So this is what we have. Let me expand this one a little. Okay, so we have it that way. Let me tap on that and duplicate it, bring it here, send it behind. Okay, as you can see, let's see if it's aligning properly. It's not aligning properly, so let's move it. Okay, then let's move this. Let's adjust this a little, and I think we're fine and good with this. We're fine and good with this. Fantastic. So I don't need this for now. I'm going to drop it here. Then what else again are we doing? What else are we doing? So let me just write the name. Okay, add the text. I'm going to use I'm going to change that to a condensed font. Let's see. So I'm going to use Barlow Condense. Barlow Condense. Let's see. Fantastic. Let's reduce it. Let's make it all capital letters. Fantastic. So let's change it now to this particular color. Then let's bring it here. Let's still reduce it again. This is what we have. Fantastic. So let's bring it down. Let's duplicate it. Let's send this up. Let's make sure it's properly aligned. I want to make sure it's properly aligned. Fantastic. Let's change the name. Okay. That's what we have. All right. And what do we have there? Let's move this up a little. Then let's duplicate this. And let's write guest. Let's write guest speaker. Let's change the capital letters. Guest speaker. Okay, let's duplicate. Bring it down. Let's write host. Or let's put guest speaker as well. It doesn't really matter. We're just trying to recreate it. Guest speaker. Let's choose actually. Let's put public speaker. Then let's put a personal development. Okay, public speaker. Coach is better. Let's leave it that way. Let's reduce the spacing. So I tap on the spacing, reduce the line height. Okay, I think we're good this way. We're good this way. It's actually looking good, cool for me. So I'm going to move this out. Then what next? Let's see what we have. Guest speaker. Let's also do same for her. Seasoned author. Think. Let's reduce the letter spacing. Bring it up. And this is what we have. Awesome. It's looking a little bit fine. Let's change this below. Let's make it. Let's use Montserrat light. Let's do same for this. Montserrat light. Oh, okay. Then let's reduce the font. Let's reduce it. And what I want us to do is to bring it up, move this up a little. Fantastic. Move this as well. Fine. This is great. What's the next thing? Wedding and book launch. So let's write public speaking masterclass. Okay, change the color to white. That's what I want to use. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I justify, I align it to the left. All right, move it up. I'm going to change the font to Ilarion. Let's see, heavy, fantastic. So I'm going to move this one down, public speaking. Let's reduce the letter spacing. Or better still, let me just do what they have here, wedding and book launch. Okay, I think we have it this way. All right, then let me increase it a little. Let's look for a font, condensed. It's a condensed font that we can use. Okay, might not get the exact font, but this can actually work. Wedding. Then the next one, I'll duplicate it. Now I want it to be properly aligned, so I'm going to use this. All right, that's serving as my grid line. Okay, then launch. Okay, that's what we have. Let's see if it's cool. Okay, we're on point. Let's bring this down a little. Change the color to okay, we have this color. All right, so what else again are we doing? Let's see. Then get my line. I'm gonna get my line. I'm gonna use illustration. Use my let me type line. I need a white line, but this particular line is too faint for me, so I'm gonna discard that. I'm gonna go to illustration, type my shape, use this one. I want to use this one as my line. You'll be amazed. I'm going to achieve that. Okay, don't worry, it's not looking a little bit confusing. I'm just trying to shrink it. Just trying to shrink it. Trying to shrink it very well. I have other lines that I can use, but they are perforated lines and it's not going to really match what we are trying to create. Okay, I think this is better for me. Change the color to white. As you can see, it's looking a lot more like what we have, even though it's looking a little bit heavy. Never mind. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's bring it, let's still adjust it. Awesome, fantastic. What else again? Date, reception, venue. So let's get this, duplicate, date, reduce the date. All right, duplicate it. All right, so duplicate it. Let me push this down. Then reception. Okay, reception was the size 19. So let's achieve the same 19. Okay, fine and good. 19. Date reception. What else do we have? Time or reception. Venue. Okay. 19. Duplicate it. Time. Okay, so what else am I going to do now? I'm going to write the address 14th March 2020. Right, so let's get our text. This time, let's use Open Sans. So let's just give it any date, 14th March 2019. Okay, expand this, reduce the size, reduce it. Very good, this is great. Duplicate it. Let's just give it an address. Duplicate it. 45 plots 5 Kings Avenue, Victoria Highland, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to increase it. What do we have? 12. So I'm going to reduce this to 12. Fantastic. This is great. It's looking more like what we want. Move this up a little. Then duplicate this. Time 10 a.m. This is what we have. Okay. So we don't need this. I'm going to trash it. And this is what we have created. It's looking more like it. It's looking more like it. It's looking more like it. This is what we have. This is the original. And this is what we have done. So we're going to save our work. Don't forget, tap on this. Then save as PNG. Good design encourages a viewer to want to learn more. So we keep giving you good designs so that you can actually learn more. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any tutorial. Until I see you again, bye-bye.